After a successful day 1 of their fitness journey, our protagonist is feeling motivated and ready to tackle day 2, an upper body strength workout at home. Determined to see results, they clear some space in their living room and grab a set of dumbbells. The workout begins with a warm-up to get the blood flowing and muscles primed. Our protagonist starts with a series of shoulder rotations, gently loosening up their joints. Next, they perform arm swings, reaching across their body and stretching their chest and back muscles. Now it's time to get to work. Our protagonist starts with a set of push-ups, focusing on maintaining proper form and engaging their chest, shoulders, and triceps. They take short breaks in between sets to catch their breath and keep their energy up. Moving on to the dumbbell exercises, they start with bicep curls. Holding the dumbbells at their side, our protagonist performs controlled curls, squeezing their biceps at the top of the movement. They gradually increase the weight as their muscles grow stronger. Next up are overhead presses. Our protagonist holds the dumbbells at shoulder level and pushes them overhead, engaging their shoulder and tricep muscles. They make sure to keep their core tight and maintain a steady pace. To target their back muscles, they perform bent-over rows. Bending at the hips, our protagonist holds the dumbbells with an overhand grip and pulls them towards their chest, squeezing their shoulder blades together. The workout concludes with a set of tricep dips. Using a sturdy chair, our protagonist positions themselves with their hands gripping the edge of the seat and their legs extended straight in front of them. They lower their body towards the floor, engaging their triceps, and then push back up to the starting position. Feeling the burn and a sense of accomplishment, our protagonist finishes their upper body strength workout at home. They know that consistency is key and are excited to continue their fitness journey, building strength and improving their overall health.